Welcome to Chute, Easy Wave product line of trash and linen chute systems. The Easy Push electric interlock door training video describes the intake door user interface and provides operating instructions. All intake doors contain a user interface panel with a push button switch to provide user input to the control system. To generate a door open request, press and release the push button switch. The control system will detect the input and respond appropriately. User feedback about the operating status of the chute is provided by the LED indicator. When the light is off, the door is locked, the chute is idle and waiting for user input. When the light is green, the chute is ready, the door is unlocked and may be opened. When the light is red, the chute is busy, the door is locked and user input is ignored. When the light is red and flashing, the chute system detected a fault associated with the open door and indicates the door must be closed. To open a door under normal conditions, wait for the indicator light to be off. Press and release the push button switch. The indicator light will flash red momentarily during chute equipment setup and green when the door is unlocked. A mechanical sound will also be generated by activation of the interlock mechanism. Turn the latch handle and pull the door open. Insert all waste completely into the chute and allow it to drop. Release the door and allow it to close automatically. Do not push the door. After the door closes, the indicator turns red while the system waits for materials to fall out of the chute. The indicator turns off when the cycle is complete, and now the system is idle and waiting for the next access request. At any time while attempting to open a door, if the indicator is red or turns red, the door will remain locked. Do not pull on the door or force it open in any manner. If a door is open on one level, the indicators will be red on all doors at the other levels. After the open door is closed, all the indicators will change to off. If the indicator remains red for longer than the normal open and close time frame, maintenance personnel may have locked out the intake doors. When service operations are complete, the chute intake doors will be re-enabled. Doors are equipped with a tamper protection system to lock out a door receiving too many instructions. If the motion sensor is activated over 4 times within a 90-second period, tamper lockout is activated. The interface panel will not respond to any input and the chute door will remain locked. In this mode, the indicator light flashes red 1 time with each user input. The door will not return to normal operation until it has been left inactive for 90 seconds. Lockout only affects the door being tampered with. All other doors on the chute function normally. This concludes our training video, and thank you for choosing Chute Easy Wave product line of trash and linen chute systems. Please refer to the Easy Wave chute system operating instructions and the Easy Wave chute system installation manual for additional information.